Stains are inevitable, but the good news is Carbona has you covered for any stain moment life throws your way. Carbona has been removing stains for over 100 years, so they know a thing or two about stain science. While Carbona Stain Devils are the perfect choice for stains you know, what about those stains you don't know or that have been sitting around crusting over? Carbona Pro Care Laundry Stain Scrubber combines a concentrated liquid gel formula with natural enzymes and a built-in scrubber to effectively treat over 100 different stains, especially those stubborn ones that need a little bit of elbow grease. In fact, Carbona Pro Care Laundry Stain Scrubber was recently lab test proven as the best laundry stain remover versus leading brands, and was a Good Housekeeping Best Cleaning and Organizing Award winner. Here's how it works. Squeeze the formula onto the stain. Next, gently scrub the stain using the built-in applicator. Then add the garment to the wash and wash as usual. Carbona Pro Care Laundry Stain Scrubber is environmentally friendly, gentle on laundry fabrics and textiles, and safe for colors and whites. Try Carbona Pro Care Laundry Stain Scrubber today, now available in a store near you.